Good day, subscribers. Oh no, I'm not supposed to be happy today. The stock market is crashing. It's down like 700 points in the last 2 trading days. But you know what? It's nothing. I've been through so much crap in the stock market game. I started in 2009. That was only 7 years ago. Time and time again, I've seen the market overreact to a bunch of crap. And this is just another situation of it. The stock market, the big money managers, they hate uncertainty. And this whole UK leaving the EU thing, it's caused some uncertainty. And it's caused some short-term pain, which I think will be long-term gain in the long run. So, how do you play it? Do you go sell all your stocks? Do you say, oh my gosh, the market's crashing, the Dow's down 700 points in the last 2 trading days. Europe's a mess right now as far as the stock market goes. In my opinion, no. You have to learn to decipher between market uncertainty and these type of moves that's going on right now, and between economies that are really failing. Are any of the major economies failing right now? China, US, Europe for that matter? No, none of them are failing. Is there a lot of growth? Absolutely not. It's near stagnant, or maybe just slight growth. So it's certainly not boom times, we all know that. But as far as like a 2008 type, credit bubble and all these things, no. Is there possible bubbles out there like I talked about with the car loans? I did a whole video months ago on how I think there's a car loan bubble. Yes, that's a big possible bubble there. Is the stock market a bubble? Not in my opinion. Are valuations a little up there? Yes. Are they way up there? No. Is it anywhere like, 2000 or some of those stock market bubbles with the NASDAQ? No, not even close. Not even remotely close. Are companies' earnings going to go down drastically whatsoever in the next year? No. Not unless the entire economy worldwide falls apart. That's the only way I see companies' earnings being hit at all. Are companies going to grow earnings a ton over the next year? No. So we're stuck in a very slow, stagnant-ish period in time right now. So I say play it how you want to play it, but as far as being a negative Nancy and me saying, oh, you know what, these markets are just going to keep going down, the Dow's going to go down to 12,000, no, it'd be unrealistic. Then that would put stocks like Apple trading at PEs of 7 and things like that. So unrealistic. So unrealistic. The stock market only drops huge, where I'm talking about thousands and thousands of points, if real economic problems come out, and they're big economic problems. And this whole UK leaving the EU, I do not see that as a big economic problem. I see it as something that's just a process of going through that's just causing market uncertainty. I remember in 2012, 2011, there was so much talk about double dip recession. If I could count how many times on CNBC and Bloomberg I heard double dip recession, I would have double dips of ice cream coming out my head and out of my whole place and out of the whole city. It was ridiculous. Double dip recession. Or are we going to double dip recession? And the market, depending on who would say what, the market would go down huge or up huge in a day. And it was just an insanely volatile time. So this is just another one of those volatile times. If I had a bet, if the stock market tomorrow, Tuesday, June 28th, goes up or down, I would probably say 10 to 1 odds it goes up. 10 to 1 odds, I would say it goes up tomorrow. That's just how it is when you have these uncertain times. So if you're new to the stock market, just kind of learn that these things happen and learn to decipher between real economic weakness that's going to cause companies' earnings to go down substantially, and between these fluff things that just everybody talks about and everybody's all like, it's the end of the world, UK's leaving the EU, oh my gosh. Give me a break. Make me roll my eyes once more. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up button if you agree. Hit that thumbs down button if you disagree, you short seller, because you are a short seller if you disagree with this video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, subscribers, thank you as always, and have a great